Hi everybody, this is Liz from Five Loaves Baking Co. Some of you may already know me. Last week we put out little kits, cookie kits for you all to do. And by the way, your moms sent me amazing pictures and videos. I love the way that you all are learning to social distance and yet stay together by doing FaceTime. There was some awesome little cousins that actually did their cookie kits while FaceTiming with one another, and I love that. This week, if you are watching this video, then you have probably already received your Oreo Cookie Kit. And I want to show you how this came about. So, normally, when I do an Oreo cookie, a decorated one, such as these, see this one, and then there's also this one, I use a mold. This is one of my basic molds, but I was thinking, how can I get you guys to do this at home? If you don't have your own molds, you can't go out and get them, and it would be too costly to put one of these in each set. So what I came up with was cupcake liners, right? So in your kit, as you can see here, you've got a 6-pack of Oreos, you've got several sprinkles, you've got a white chocolate bag and a milk chocolate bag, and you've also gotten a couple of these little sticks for any kind of help that you might need. And what we do is, you're going to take your chocolate. It's going to be in the bag, and it's going to be hard by the time that you receive it. You're going to have mom or dad, or if you're able to yourself, take the bag, place it in the microwave. You can actually put the two bags in together at the same time. And at 50% power, 30-second intervals, you're going to be melting it. Now, every so often when you pull it out, you mix it up. It's only going to take you a few tries, maybe 3 or 4. When it's nice and soft, you're going to take a pair of scissors. You're going to cut the tip off, not too lightly, but not too deep either. And then what you're going to do is, you're going to take your cupcake liner, and you're going to fill the bottom of that liner with chocolate, just enough to fill the bottom. And then you're going to take your Oreo, and you're going to place it in and squish it down a little. Not too hard, because you want to have a nice little smooth bottom, but just enough. And then don't move it around too much. So I would suggest that you already have a plate set so that you're not grabbing and changing the shape too much. You can also do the same with your white one. So you're going to, again, fill the very bottom of that cupcake liner. Maybe shake it a little bit, that's all. And you're going to take your Oreo, and again, you're going to place it in. Okay? So there you go. You place it in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes, I would say. It could be 12 to 15. What you want to make sure is that once you pull it out, that the bottom is hard. Because it is paper. I don't know if that's what the case is, but I believe it doesn't harden as quickly. In the molds, it only takes me about 7 minutes, 8 minutes maximum. So then what I've done, so that you guys can see, is I've already frozen a couple of them. And I want to show you what happens. Now, hopefully this works. So you pull your paper carefully away from the sides, and voila, you've got a nice chocolate covered Oreo right there. So then, let me tell you something, you can just go ahead and eat them. That will be fun. Or you can take the same chocolate and take your Oreo, maybe you get the brown one and you get the white, right? And you drizzle it on top like that. Do something really cute. Then you've got your bag of sprinkles. Here's one of the bags that I'm including in your kit. And you open it up, and you can just sprinkle right over it. See that? And that's kind of fun. Shake off all the excess. And that's going to be delicious and fun. You can also take, I've included one with eyeballs in it, in case you want to get all freaky and weirdo and stuff. Make something kind of scary. We can take then the brown chocolate, and we can do maybe a smiley face, a little bitty drop of chocolate on each side. Then you take your eyeball and put it there. Maybe you even want to take the one with the hearts that I've placed in there. Find yourself a pink one, let's say, for example. Put a little blob on there. Put a little pink one for a cheek. And then maybe that's where you get your little boo-boo stick or your little mixing stick and move it over nicely. And then you can even take one of the little heart-shaped ones and put it on the mouth. Make it look like a tongue. And there you go. Something funky. And you know what, guys? You could do whatever you want. Basically, your imagination is all that can stop you or make you to do a lot of really great things. This is a quick little video, some fun later on. You know, maybe you get one of the molds and you can start doing something different like this. Some of these sprinkles are the ones that we're going to do next week, the week after this, for our Easter cookie kits. That's going to be fun also. So I hope you had fun. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, send me pictures and videos, moms. We enjoy it so much. Bye from 5 Loaves Baking Co.